Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file your beneficial ownership information for your incorporated business. First, you need to confirm if your company is a reporting company under the Corporate Transparency Act. Next, gather all required details for each beneficial owner, including their full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Finally, check if your company meets any of the 23 specific exemptions to avoid unnecessary filing. This initial step is crucial for compliance. When preparing your beneficial ownership information report, you'll need specific details for each owner. This includes their complete legal name and date of birth. You'll also need their current residential street address. Crucially, you must provide a unique identifying number from an acceptable document, such as a passport or state driver's license, along with the issuing jurisdiction. Ensure all information is accurate to prevent delays. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial advice. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have all the necessary information, the next step is to submit your beneficial ownership information report. You will access the secure BOI e-filing system directly through their official website. Carefully complete all sections of the report, double-checking for accuracy before submission. Remember to file by the deadline to ensure compliance and avoid potential penalties. It's a straightforward process when prepared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.